Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to monospace your message on WhatsApp on an Android device. Go to your phone menu. Find WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you are on the Chats tab. Open the chat. In the message box, type a message. To monospace your message, place 3 backticks on both sides of the text. Tap Send. As you can see, the message which you have sent is a monospaced. This is how you can monospace your message on WhatsApp on an Android device.